how to fix you can't use this feature right now on Facebook. You might be in the position where you try to use any of the feature on Facebook but you are not being able to. In this case, what you need to do is simply have to move into any of the web browser. Click on your profile at the top right corner and tap on this three dot icon. Head over to manage your Google account. Make sure you are inside the account associated with your Facebook account. Once in this page, move into personal information and then head over to birthday. Well, if your birth date is under 16, then it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. Make sure to change your birth date and make it over 18 or 16. After that, the next thing you want to do is, once again, head over to any of the web browser and in the address bar, search for report login issue Facebook. Move into the very first site. Now you have to select something went wrong. Once you're in this page, you have to scroll down and click on No. Tap on Other. Now in this section, you have to state the problem that you have been facing. Also make sure to enter your username and email address and also your phone number. Once you've stated all of the problems, click on Submit. Within 24 hours, they will definitely help you to fix this issue and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.